A very good morning, students. I am Rama Devi, working as a chemistry faculty in Target English Medium School at Tadipatri. Yes. Now, I am going to explain this video for 8th class students. The topic is synthetic fibers and plastics is the chapter name, and the topic is rayon. Already in previous classes we have already discussed about the nylon preparation and their uses. Preparation of nylon and its uses. Now we are going to discuss about the preparation of rayon and its uses. Rayon. Yes, in previous times, means in previous years, in our grandma or our grandpa time, the silk is very cost. The silk fabric is very cost. Why? Because the silk is naturally prepared from the silkworms. Those are very costly. So that's why instead of silk, the scientists are thinking about that we have invented a new artificial silk fabric which is cheaper than silk. So in the time of thinking inventions, they are prepared the rayon is called artificial silk. Rayon is called artificial silk. Rayon is called artificial silk. When they are invented in 1911 in USA. For the first time in 1911 in USA, the rayon fabric was invented. But the name of the rayon was become kept in 1924. The name of the rayon they become kept in 1924 only. Okay. The first rayon factory in India where it was established means in Kerala. In India where it was established in Kerala, the first rayon factory was established. Okay. So you remember this first time the rayon fabric was invented in 1911 in USA. The name rayon was kept in 1924, but in India the first rayon factory was established in Kerala. Okay. So rayon is also called artificial silk. Actually, the rayon is prepared. How it was prepared? Preparation. Actually, the rayon was prepared from the plant's cellulose. That's why it is also called cellulose fiber. A very important point. Rayon is also called cellulose fiber. Why? Because the rayon fabric is made up from the plant's cellulose. From the plant's cellulose means from the wood pulp. From the wood pulp which was prepared. But it is prepared from the plant's cellulose also, even though it was prepared from the natural source, that is plant, but it is also called artificial silk. Why? Because in this topic I will explain about the preparation. How the rayon was prepared means rayon was prepared from the plant's cellulose. Rayon was prepared from the plant's cellulose. So it is also called cellulose fiber. So it is also called cellulose fiber. Are you understand? Rayon was prepared from the plant's cellulose. So it is also called cellulose fiber. But actually, the rayon was prepared from the plant's cellulose means natural source only. So it is also called natural fiber only now. Because yes, the rayon is prepared from the plant's cellulose, but even though it is prepared from the natural source, but it is also called the artificial fiber because the rayon is prepared from the plant's cellulose, that is called cellulose fiber. This cellulose or wood pulp is treated with several chemicals. It is not directly coming from the plants. From the plant's cellulose, we have taken the plant's cellulose and then wood pulp was treated with several chemicals and then we will get the rayon fabric. Are you understand? First we have taken the plant's it was treated with several chemicals, and then we get the rayon fabric. That's why it is also called the artificial silk. Even though it was prepared from the plant cellulose, but it is also called the artificial silk. Why? Because it was treated with the several chemicals. Then we get the rayon fabric. That's why we can call the rayon is also called artificial silk. You remember. It was treated with several chemicals. It was treated with several chemicals. That's why even though we prepared the rayon was from the plant cellulose, but we call it is only artificial fiber. But not at all, it is called the natural fiber. You remember that point. Then how we prepare the rayon means, yes, you taken the wood pulp and treated with several chemicals. Yes, what type of chemicals we are used here means the wood pulp was treated with the wood pulp was treated with sodium hydroxide, the formula NaOH. The wood pulp was treated with the sodium hydroxide, formula I write here NaOH, and carbon disulfide. Carbon disulfide. I write the formula here CS2. You remember the wood pulp was treated with several chemicals. What are those type of chemicals means? Sodium hydroxide, formula NaOH, and carbon disulfide, formula CS2. These two chemicals we are used for treating the wood pulp. Okay. Then when the wood pulp was treated with sodium hydroxide and carbon disulfide chemicals, then we get a syrup-like solution that is called viscose. That is called which one? Viscose. Then we get a syrup-like solution. I will continue here. Preparation of rayon. Then we treat it with sodium hydroxide and carbon sulfide. Then we get a syrup-like solution. Then we get a syrup-like solution. That is called viscose. That is called viscose. Okay. Now, what we can do here means this viscose is passed through a heated spinner net. This viscose is passed through a heated spinner net. I said already in the time of nylon, spinner net nothing but having, it is a metallic plate having very tiny holes. Having very tiny holes. If the spinner net is a metallic plate, that metallic plate contains very tiny holes. Nothing but, so this viscose solution passed through a heated spinner net. Passed through a heated spinner net. The heated spinner net nothing but it is a metallic plate contains very small holes. Tiny, nothing but small. Are you understand? So the viscose solution passes through a heated spinner net. Okay. At the down of the spinner net, we must be kept the diluted sulfuric acid solution. Okay. At the down of the spinner net, we kept the diluted sulfuric acid solution. Means we can write as this viscose solution passes through a heated spinner net through the diluted sulfuric acid solution. I got this. Are you understand this point? Through the diluted sulfuric forth. You remember this is what? Sulfuric acid solution. Under situation we get fabric material. This fabric is treated with soap water or is cleaned with soap and water. Then we get a rayon fabric. Then we get the rayon fabric. Are you understand? This is the preparation. So what we can do in the preparation of rayon is, you must be remember a very simple 4 points only. There is no nothing points, only 4. First point is a rayon is called artificial silk. Actually it was prepared from the plant's cellulose, nothing but from the wood pulp. So it was prepared from the plant's cellulose. Normally plant is a natural source. That's why it was prepared from the plant cellulose, means it is also called natural fiber. But even though it was prepared from the plant's cellulose, we can call the rayon is a artificial fiber only, because this cellulose fiber or wood pulp was treated with several chemicals. It was treated with several chemicals. That's why even though it was prepared from the wood pulp, but it was called as artificial fiber only. Are you understand? Yes. What type of chemicals we are used for preparation of rayon means, first, that wood pulp was treated with sodium hydroxide and carbon disulfide. Okay. So then we get a syrup-like solution that is called viscose. Then this viscose solution is passed through a heated spinner net. Heated spinner net is nothing but it is a metallic plate containing very small holes. So through that solution we can pass the viscose solution into the sulfuric acid. Which sulfuric acid? Diluted sulfuric acid solution. Then from that solution we can get the fabric material. That material is washed with soap and normal water. Then we get a rayon fabric. Are you understand? This is the preparation of rayon. Then what are the uses of rayon? The first point is rayon is cheaper than silk. Actually, the rayon is cheaper than silk. A normal silk is very costly material. I already said to you. So, compared to that silk material, rayon is cheaper. Rayon absorbs water easily because it was prepared from the cellulose fiber. Rayon absorbs water easily. When rayon is mixed with the cotton, so are you able to see those points? Yes. Rayon is cheaper than silk. Rayon absorbs water easily. Next point, when rayon is mixed with the cotton and also when rayon is mixed with the wool, for that materials we can made up of different materials. When rayon is mixed with the cotton we can make the bed sheets, but when rayon is mixed with the wool in making carpets. Okay. So when it is mixed with the cotton to make bed sheets. wool to make carpets. Okay. So rayon is used in home fashion furnishing, home and fashion furnishing, means in the home decorations, in the fashion decorations we are using the rayon. It is used in the sanitary products. Sanitary products. Because it was easily absorbs the water. And also it is used in the preparation of diapers. In the preparation of diapers. Do you know diapers? For kids we are wearing that. So that diapers are easily absorbs the water. In the rayon, some material is there, that is nothing but wood pulp or rayon. Okay, shiny material is there, that is nothing but rayon. So once again I will say the uses of rayon. Rayon is cheaper than silk. Rayon absorbs water easily. For that point we also write why, because it is prepared from the cellulose fiber. It is prepared from the cellulose fiber. That cellulose fiber was easily absorbs the water. Next, rayon is mixed with cotton to make bed sheets. When rayon is mixed with the wool to make carpets. Rayon is used in the home furnishing and fashion furnishing. Rayon is used in the sanitary products, and also it is used in the preparation of diapers and etc. Okay. So these are the uses of rayon. But one small what we can say drawback is there by using of rayon, because rayon is cheaper than silk. Okay, it is easily absorbs the water because it was prepared from the plant cellulose. That's why it was easily break, and also fabric material is easily break, and not that you can use more and more years. The nylon, compare the nylon, rayon is easily breakage. Why? Because it was easily absorbs the water. Compare the nylon, nylon is not absorbs the water easily. That's why it is used for long more and more time or years. But rayon is not at all, it can easily absorb the water. Yes, it is cheaper than silk, but it is not used for long more years. It is easily breaks. That's why it is one of the drawback by using a rayon. So you remember one more point. Rayon is the 8th point you will write. Rayon is also used in the preparation of bandages. You will write now one more point. Rayon is also used in the preparation of bandages. I will write 8th point. I will write here. Bandages. Rayon is used in the preparation of bandages. Okay. Are you understand? So it is the preparation of rayon and uses of rayon. You will remember easily and also. Okay. In the preparation of rayon, we can use only 3 points. Rayon is artificial silk. It is prepared from the wood pulp. That wood pulp is treated with sodium hydroxide and carbon sulfide. We get a viscose solution. That viscose solution is passed through a heated spinner neck which contain the diluted sulfuric acid. Then we get the rayon fabric from that solution, and it was washed with soap and normal water. Then we can get a rayon fabric. It is dyed in different variety of colors. Means we can see the rayon fabric in the market in different colors. Yes, of course we can get one fabric material. That material is dyed in different colors. Means we can get the different colors materials. Yes, it is the preparation. Then now I will say the uses of rayon.